we are going to do a quick body scan. So if you're coming with me, go ahead and stop what you're doing and perhaps come to a comfortable seat, or you can lay down. You can kind of do this in any position you like. And bring your awareness to the point between the eyebrows. You can close the eyes if it's comfortable for you. And bring your awareness to the point of the third eye. And release any tension that you might be holding in the forehead. Release any tension that you might be holding in the face. So letting your facial expression dissolve completely. Notice if you're holding any tension in the jaw. Can you perhaps part the teeth, and behind closed lips, the tongue rests softly in the upper palate? Can you loosen any tension in the shoulders? Allow the shoulders to soften and slide heavily down the back. Arms allowed to flop down, releasing any holding in the hands, letting each finger gently uncurl. Noticing if you're holding any tension in the chest. Can you breathe a little deeper so that that breath drops into the belly and away from the upper chest? Releasing any tension that you might be holding in the stomach, letting the belly be soft. Releasing any holding in the hips or the buttocks, the legs. Letting the toes completely relax from big toe to little toe. Feeling the whole body. The whole body. Dropping into peaceful stillness. And let's bring the awareness back to the space between the eyebrows. Bring the awareness to both eyes. Feeling both eyes, both left and right. And following the optical nerve of both eyes all the way backwards into the middle of the brain. Noticing any sensation along the way as you bring your awareness deep within the center of the head. And then dropping that awareness down through the center of the head to the upper palate, a little soft part of the upper palate. Noticing if there's any parts that you start to check out along the way. And coming back to the upper palate, deep within the mouth. And then following your awareness down the hollow of the throat. The hollow of the throat. All the way down the hollow of the throat and into the chest, and letting that awareness rest in the heart center. Bringing your awareness to the heart center, the inner heart, the inner refuge. And letting your breath fill up the inner heart. With every inhale, feeling that sense of expansion, and every exhale, softening and releasing a little deeper. Awareness at the heart center. You can continue to rest the awareness at the heart center, the heart of wisdom, our internal compass to guide us back home. Or you can start to bring your awareness back to the breath, to the senses, what you can hear, what you can smell, perhaps the textures of moist or dryness within the mouth. And gently start to blink open the eyes. Welcome back. And let's take one deep breath all together. So empty out all the air from your lungs. And inhaling. Exhale with a sigh. Namaste at home. Be well.